You're practicing. He's getting there practicing. Come on, baby. You got it, baby. You got it. Woo! Morning. We are near San Francisco, and we're heading to an incredible event. Can you guess what it is? What time did you wake up this morning?
4:30 a.m.
4:30 a.m. Oh my goodness. And the cool thing is we're going to be hanging out with some friends today.
Yay!
Too. So we're walking to go find our friends right now actually. Can you guess who it is? And look who we found! Tracy and Ben.
Oh my gosh! Tracy, hi!
Look at what we got, guys.
Oh my gosh! Incredible day!
Walking there. You excited, baby?
Field trip. Yeah. I got my back. Look at you guys. Look at where we're at. Oh my gosh. There's a lamp. There's a ball. Isn't it neat? What did you think? My collection's complete?
Do you want me to turn the light on?
That would be cool.
1, 2, and 3.
Okay. We're walking in. Remember this place?
Oh my gosh, I do. You guys, it was super cool. Our friend Eric got us in here last time. He works for Pixar. My dad and my brother Jojo, who you guys, many of you know, he's an aspiring artist. He's very talented. And so it was really cool for him to be able to check it out. We got to a full-on tour of the place, and it looks incredible in here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
What? Yeah. Hanging with these guys today as well. Wow, Legos. Impressive.
You're doing breakfast.
Some nice little breakfast spread, y'all.
Yeah. Yes.
Get your food intake up, honey.
There's even the same, but I
There's
want
that
more.
baby. How's breakfast, baby?
It's delicious.
Yeah?
Y'all.
You got some other friends over here.
Yeah.
Leo and Sarah.
Yeah.
What's happening? Hey, Tracy and Nick. The gang's all back. Brian, what's up, man? Yeah.
Do a voice.
Well, darling, since we're doing Incredibles Day, we must do Edna mode. No kids!
Stop.
I'm gonna walk you guys around and show the artwork here on the wall that they put up. It's really awesome setup in here. There's this giant mural on the wall over here. I wanted to show you guys. Yeah, Incredibles! Oh, baby, who'd you find?
You know, me and my unicorn friend, we're just looking over the script real quick. Oh yeah!
Nice. What are we doing now?
We're going in there to find out the secrets.
You gonna find out the secrets?
Show me the secrets. You can't film in there though, I don't
I
think.
think we have to go dark, you guys.
Shut it
We'll
off.
tell you about it.
Please give the loudest welcome possible for Ashley Eckstein.
Welcome! You guys look incredible today. Pun intended. It's going to be an incredible day. Jim and I got to try some of the obstacles out yesterday. Literally, you are going to feel super.
All right, guys. Well, we have our first challenge of the day. We're doing a trivia game right now. Charis is with the green team here, Team Green.
The green team is very serious. Is this serious?
Yes, it is.
We're in it to win it.
Oh my gosh.
I read about this.
Is it 130? I don't remember. We rise together, we fall together. So. How about the square feet?
There's all sorts of things. Everything from strapping a baby to your chest to being bungee corded.
You ready for this?
Oh, come on, man.
Come on. Oh, man.
I gotta do cool stuff. Perfect, thank you, Charis. Awesome.
Baby, so what do you think of the movie clip?
Oh my gosh, you guys! You guys, it was so dope. Definitely loving baby Jack and his relationship with the raccoon. Every minute of it, hilarious. I love it. Got my crew behind me. We're Team Green.
Team Green! Woo! Ooh. Cool towels. Cool palm trees. You hyperventilating, baby.
The entire team has their suits on. Then you're gonna move over as a team to the Lego station.
I did the stretch. I got my stretchy pants on.
You stretchy pants.
Ready.
What's your role then in this?
I'm gonna get dressed in a super suit. After I get the super suit on, we're gonna go over there, build Legos, and then cheer on our team as they run through that obstacle course. Somebody's gonna shoot a hoop, somebody's gonna ride a bike, and then done.
Go baby! Go baby!
Hang her in there.
You got it! Swing it on!
Go, 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 go!
Got it.
And one, two down. Two down.
Yes. Yes.
Get it! Get it!
Yes.
Go team, go!
Even you focus. Focus.
Black, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Black 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, he's going. He's going. Whoa! You got it, buddy. You got it, buddy. Go, go, go! Uh-oh. Keep on going. Help him out, guys. Help him out. Take your socks off. You got it. You got it. We have faith. We have faith. Don't we have faith?
One with the hoop.
All right, we're playing horse later. Aw, cute. Little
Can
motorcycles.
you like really power it? Is it like powered?
How does it work? Maybe. What?
Yeah! I'm like Elastigirl! Woo! Living the dream! Living the dream! So we did the obstacle course. We had a little snack, but it's okay. You know, we're just getting a warm up right now. It's cool because they actually have influencers from all over the world. And one of the guys, Luis on my team, he's actually from Brazil and he speaks Portuguese. So that's pretty cool. And he's like super enthusiastic about, look at the kid, look at it. It's fun, huh? Woo!
Okay, we're heading towards the next event, which is on the field here. Charis is coming.
So we should just have 8. Yeah.
Coming for you. Coming for you. Whoa.
All right, guys.
What do you got to do?
I have to strap the baby carrier on and carry a jack and everything else and kick a soccer ball through those 2 huge stripe things.
He's packing the backpack.
Yeah, go!
Yeah.
Go!
Woo! Yeah. Go, baby.
All the way on, all the way on!
Go, Charis. You're practicing. He's getting there practicing. Come on, baby. You got it, baby. You got it. Woo! Hold him up. Da da na 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 na. Here he goes. Here we go. Yeah!
Yes.
Not too shabby.
All right, our score. We're at 50. What?
All right, you guys, now we're heading to the pool.
Heading to the pool.
Oh, yeah. So there they are inside of these giant bubbles. It's going to be insane, you guys. Oh.
Oh. Whoa. Meditation.
That looks
Go! Yeah! Woo! Wow! Look at that! Go Team Green!
Go, 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 go!
You got this!
You just gotta crawl your way through! You got it! You got it! You're there! You got this! Yes! Yes!
Yeah! Hey! All right, guys. Well, the day is almost done, but
Yes.
we are walking now over to the award ceremony
Yes.
to find out who won.
We had like tied with 3 other teams, right? You guys know this woman in her trivia.
I know I got
Slays
it
every time.
wrong the year that Pixar was open. I googled it afterwards.
Oh no!
I thought it was 82, it was 86.
Wow, what is this over here? Like out in a big field and they got sound system set up?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Competition. One of the teams sitting out there aced. And this team with the most amazing flair today, making Edna Mode very proud, the pink team!
Oh my gosh, the baby's so cute. Oh my God.
You are being awarded for your stellar hero work today, and that award goes to
Orange! Team Orange.
There's a twin.
Nice.
Congratulations.
This was a team that kept their cool the entire time. Never broke once. And that's none other than the very cool Green Team.
Go Green Team!
Huge during Earth Month. I love that. Everybody's gonna shoot lasers from their eyes
Team with the most
or spontaneously
chill. Wow.
self-clone.
Yeah, baby.
We thought we could do a drum roll, just slapping your old knee. Yeah.
Drum roll, please.
This is the team that garnered the most points.
Team Yellow.
You guys, more certificates. Collect the whole set. That's what I do. There you go.
Green team.
Yeah.
Ready?
All over the place.
1, 2,
Green team.
3.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. I had a super time. Be sure to catch Incredibles 2 in theaters June 15th. Bye.